Hey, what's going on, guys? You don't need weeks to create your first digital product. So let me show you how in under an hour. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jarika. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a mother of three. I went from a bus driver to a digital CEO, and I want to show you how to create your digital product today with using Canva in under an hour, okay? My ultimate goal is to help as many people as I can break free from the check-to-check living, the 9-to-5 grind, the rat race, okay? And learn how to make more money in their sleep than they do on their feet. That's the ultimate goal here. So I'm going to show you step by step on how easy it is to create your own ebook in under an hour just using Canva and ChatGPT. Okay, so let's get into it. So right here I have, so what you would do, you can create an ebook, a workbook, or something like that. You want to keep it clean, simple, and straight to the point, okay? Don't overthink it. Done is better than perfect. Excuse me. You can add your own knowledge to it, your own expertise, your own experiences, because it's all about turning your ideas into an income, all right? So I just give you some quick outlines on title, introductions, and the things that you will need inside of your ebook. But I also gave you some examples in case you don't know where to start. You can actually pause this video and take this and plug it into ChatGPT so you can start creating today, all right? Because that's the goal for you to get started today. So I have something like busy moms with the lifestyle, meal preps, side hustles, or also self-care, okay? You can take any one of these and you can plug it and play it and put it into your templates. Okay, so let's go over to Canva. So right now we are in Canva. You can go with the free version of Canva, my loves, or you can go with the pro version. I think the pro version is like $15. So once you get over to Canva, you can search in ebook templates. Okay, so you can just start from scratch or you can do ebook templates. If you're starting from scratch, my love, then you want to go with an 8.5 by 11 in size. Okay, so I'm going to just go with the ebook templates because that's the simplest way to do so. And then once you click and search for ebook templates, then now you can go and see which one you truly desire. You can keep it simple. You can kind of hover over it and it will give you like an outline of how it looks. And if it's something that you feel that you can just, okay, I like that one, so I'll use it. And I want you to also recognize like the little crowns right here and how this one doesn't have a crown. So with that being said, this is showing you that this is the free one and this is for the paid Canva. All right. But for this training purposes, I'm going to use this free one here just so you can go and do it as well. So we're going to click on it and click on customize. You want to customize your template. And what you're going to do, if you're using the examples that I gave you, then you're going to just kind of go back and forth from ChatGPT over to Canva, okay? And then that's how you can plug and play. You can go in here and change the pictures. I'm not sure if you're showing your face because you can do this with or without showing your face. Your pictures does not necessarily have to be inside of your ebooks. So let's go back here. And I'm going with the busy moms. So we're going to do like a meal prep. All right. Or side hustle. So let's go with the meal prep for busy moms. This can be like, you can look for ebooks that's in the meal prep, or you can just go with one that you feel and you can put like different food designs in it. So what I would do to change the picture, since I'm doing, since I'm doing the meal prep ideas for the moms, okay, what we'll do is plug that in, and I'll take this and put busy moms here. All right, you see how I say meal prep made? I would say easy here. Take that easy out of here. Meal prep made easy for busy moms, okay? And what I'll do is click on elements. If you don't have like your own photos, then what you will do is click on elements and you can do food photos. All right, you can do different food photos. I always like to go with the actual pictures. So this is something nice that I will use. And the same with the crown and not the crown. That's showing you just which ones are free and which ones are for the paid. Okay. And this is pretty nice. So I like this. Yeah, so you just take whatever photos. So I put this one here. You can do another one like this here. Just kind of, if it's like this, then what you'll do is you will take that photo and kind of drag it up a tad bit just so it can kind of fit in the section, you know, customize it however you like, just to where it'll fit on your actual page. Okay. Something like that. That looks sweet. Okay, awesome. So this would, you could put a ebook. You can change it to whatever you want. Here, ebook meal prep, or you can just leave it, you know, or you can say a guide. You can keep it as a guide. Okay. Now, if you want to change the background colors of any, you can also do that. You can change your background colors to like go with your brand or whatnot. You can, you know, just change it here. And say, for instance, I wanted to keep this white, I would do that. You can keep the different pictures like I stated, or you can change them. You will complete your table of contents pertaining to what you have in your book. You just will edit each one. If you don't need all of them and you just want to keep this section, then you can do that as well. Delete what you don't need. Okay. If you want a little introduction about yourself, you can always go into ChatGPT and say, hey, Chat, I want to put an introduction telling a little bit about myself on the ebook. Okay. If you're showing your face, then you can go and upload a picture of yourself here. You can just go and drag and drop that. Okay. Add a picture. Hey, hello, my name is. You'll put your name here. Put something short, sweet, and simple about yourself there, my love. If you want to change that background again, you can also do it just to kind of keep the flow going. Okay. If you don't want to show a picture of your face, then you can just put something else. You can do like a brand photo. You can do photos of women. Let me put women photos, something like that. And you can take a picture of a woman and just kind of like drag that there, because if you're not showing your face, then that's fine. Okay. And then you can keep like a little rhythm, a little theme going. See how I changed the color here? You can keep this white. You can change that here. Keep this white. You can change this to whites. All right. And you can put self-care. Well, no, we ain't gonna keep self-care. So here's your 5 meal prep. So here's your 5 meal prep guide, or 5 meal prep ideas, or something like that. Okay. Let's do like ideas. And then I probably won't put this capitalized. Just do the idea. All right. Adjust that however you want. I'll probably put it up a tad just so it can look like that. Then you'll go in there and you'll plug and play. Like I said, you could change the photos here. You can always go and change those to food photos or whatever you're pertaining to within your ebook. And that's what you will go and put there, unless you have like your own, you know, something like that. I would use those two. Boom. You can do it like, say for instance, you want to give them some type of outline like this. Okay. And you could give it like a list. Like if you want to give them a list, right? Let's delete and go with 20-minute meals. I'm just giving examples. All right. 20-minute meals. Crock pot meals. All right. And different things of that nature. And then you would just, you know, put them all here. List out your ideas. Okay. Awesome. So you just put it like that. And you can add something here, tell them what to do, depending on if you're giving them just ideas, if you're breaking it down, however you choose to do it. But remember, you will go and plug and play with the ChatGPT, get it all sweet, and you can take this, remove it, whatever you want to add to it, you can go and do that if you choose to. And remember, we was going with the white and then this and then the white again. Okay. Say for instance, you don't want this page, but let me see, or if you want to go and give them a duplicate page, you can go ahead and do this. And now you can give them the actual recipes on this page. If you want to delete the page, make sure you do that. Okay. Just trying to give you a little step-by-step on how you can get it done and how it can be done. So this is if you want to like, hey, recipe for meal prep idea 1. Okay. So it would be like idea. It says an error on our end. Okay, so idea 1 will go here, then you'll put it, or recipe or something like that with the breakdown. If you want to do for each one, you can just add it. Make sure you're changing the colors in the background. Like I stated before, like this will be white, or you can keep it this color. It's up to you, okay? Idea 1, then you go in there, change this to 2. You'll put your idea 2, break it down. Breakdown. Idea 2, breakdown. If you want to go through 1 through 5, then like I said before, just duplicate the page, okay? So where now you can have each page going and it can stay within that same format. Then you can change each picture in there as well. And you can always add pages if you decide that you want other pages like to add. If you don't have enough pages, then what you will do is you can always go back to design and you can go and add. Like if you see different ones, you can go and add to this page as well, okay? You'll just kind of hover over it and be like, oh, I like this design. Okay, I want to add this to my ebook. Then you can always use those different templates. All right, so once you get to the bottom of it, then what you want to do is keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Just keep it simple, okay? And it does not have to be 100 pages. You can go with the pages that you have. You can go with 5 pages. It really doesn't matter. You add your pictures there. And now if you want them to join your community, if you want them to sign up for something that you offer, any type of journal to go with it, any type of recipe book or anything, then that's when you will put that here, and then you can place your link right here. All right, so you can say sign up here, then you will go wherever you're hosting your products or whatnot. You can go and add your link, okay? And I'll just put, if you want to send them to like a YouTube, you can do that as well. Awesome. So once you have that, see, like we can click here. Once you have your actual link, it'll take you directly to whatever link you are placing there, okay? Awesome. So with that being said, once you have it the way that you want, customized the way that you want, making it sweet and simple, okay, now you will download it as a PDF. Congratulations, my love. So now you have your first digital product. I can't wait to see what you come up with. If you found this video educational and helpful, then let me know down in the comments below. I always try to get back to you guys in a timely fashion. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. And also, if you want the complete system to not only create your ebook, but also launch it, set up your store, and start making sales, okay? Because like I told y'all, I want y'all making more money in your sleep than you do on your feet. If you want access to that, I will also put that down in the description. Let's go. Don't wait for your ebook to be perfect. Let's launch it. Let's learn. Let's improve as we go, because action beats perfection every time, my love. All right? And remember, action takers are the money makers. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you.